Hiro-san!
Good afternoon.
You scared me, Hiro.
No, sometimes I need to change the starting point.
Change the intro.
New line,
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah.
Same line, different approach.
Yeah. Last
Different
how
intro.
many years we do? 10 years.
Oh my goodness, 10 years, yeah.
Good afternoon, right?
Okay.
Maybe something else. We
Right.
start it. So let me know in the comments, okay?
Okay, very, very good.
Yeah.
All right. Anyway, let's talk about what's in this box.
Yeah.
We want to give a shout out to whoever.
Yeah. This is actually a few
Sent
months
this.
ago, but
It's actually more than a few months ago. It's actually October of last year.
yeah, this is send us this one because I remember one of the video. I was wrapping up something fish, so process.
Actually, the makisu.
It was makisu.
Yeah, you were right.
Yeah,
on
because
makisu.
the 12 inches is a little shorter,
Yeah,
so 18 is more easier.
Right.
I said that too. So
someone sent this to you, Hiro.
yes. So I really didn't see who sent it this one.
Yeah, it doesn't
say. People who sent me this one, thank you very much.
Thank you so much. Well,
Really appreciate.
Give a shout out to Janitor Supply Depot, located in Rochester, New York. We don't know. It probably a drop and ship. Whoever ordered it sent it.
Yeah.
But anyway, thank you so much.
Yeah. If a person who sent it this one, they're watching this video, thank you very much. Really appreciate. Yeah.
Yes. Okay, Hiro, let's talk about today's recipe.
Yes.
What are we doing today?
So today, I'm gonna do salmon carbonara.
Okay.
My pronunciation right? Carbonara. So,
Carbonara, yeah.
Yeah, it's kind of pasta, But I'm gonna use the salmon.
Oh, nice.
Yeah. So, but this one salmon I need to do first 24 hours, at least 24 hours to 2-3 days process to salt
Okay.
on the salmon.
Let's talk about the
Then keep in
ingredients.
cooler.
Yeah.
Yes. Here is Bakkafrost.
As you guys see, Bakkafrost Salmon to us, the best farm salmon in the world. And not sure if you're going to see this before or after, but we are headed to the Faroe Islands. All right, Hiro, we made it. Faroe Islands, check this out. Check out this backdrop. Oh my goodness. Beautiful, huh?
This part was a little tough.
A little warm, right?
It's so hot inside.
Yeah. Oh, this is the place. We can't wait to explore it. Coming up soon.
And here is a Hawaiian salt.
Okay.
Yeah, this one also one of my good fan from Hawaii. I need to do salted, put the salt on the salmon,
Okay.
and then I'm gonna keep at least 24 hours
All right.
in the cooler. Yes. So I'm gonna use this one.
You keep the skin on there as well?
No, I took off the skin already.
Okay.
But these two are going to use for that.
Can people leave the skin on if they want?
This just actually I prepare skin off.
Skin off, okay.
Just put the salt.
So just a little salt, not that much,
Yeah,
huh?
just salt. That's it. Okay, then I'm just gonna keep wrap and keep on in the cooler.
Okay. All right, very
Yes.
good. Hiro-san, we are back 24
Yes.
hours later.
24 hours later.
Okay.
Yes, this is a salmon. 24 hours later.
Okay.
I put the salt and keep in the cooler, right?
Okay.
So I'm going to wash first this one. You
Okay.
can see that some water is coming out, so right.
Yep.
First I'm gonna wash.
Let's go through some of the ingredients too before
Yes.
we go there.
Beside of the salmon, I'm gonna use the ramen noodle instead of the pasta, right? And then the Parmesan cheese, heavy cream, the eggs, ova, kaiware, salt and pepper, olive oil, garlic, and onion.
All right.
Yeah,
Perfect.
yeah. Today's also this is a very simple recipe too.
Okay.
So first I'm gonna wash salmon. Just wash it out to the salt on the surface. You don't need to soaking or anything like that. So first thing, I'm gonna wipe off the salmon. Take off the little water out. Yeah. Okay, so I'm going to saute onion and the garlic. Okay, so onion and garlic saute is done, like that. Okay, I'm gonna keep this one on the side for now. Next one, I'm gonna make the sauce. Then salt and pepper. I cook noodle. Okay, I'm gonna stir it out. Okay, this one I'm gonna keep like that. So now I'm gonna do everything mixing together. I'm gonna use the wok, a little bit olive oil, and noodle. The onion. Okay, then this one. And then salmon. Fresh pepper, then to kaiware over. I'm gonna add the fresh Parmesan cheese a little bit.
Wow, wow, wow. Take a look at this beautiful carbonara with ramen and fresh Bakkafrost salmon. You can't beat this combination, Hiro-san. I can't wait to try it. And those ramen noodles with the cheese and the cream. Amazing. Well, thank you so much.
Thank you very much.
Guys, like the video, give it a thumbs up, comment below, share it. Don't forget to subscribe. And tell us, have you had anything like this before? Because let me tell you what, this is like Amazing creations and beyond. Thank you, Hiro.
Right. Thank you. See you next time.
All right, well, take a look at this. Again, beautiful dish, Hiro. Enjoy. Gosh, if you guys can make these dishes at home, you have no idea how delicious it's going to be.
The saltiness is perfect.
Yeah, like you were saying, you salted the, kind of cured these salmon just to give it more flavor.
And of course, carbonara creamy, you know.
Yeah, creamy too, right?
Creamy sauce.
With a heavy cream, yeah.
Yeah. And the oba, kaibare.
Oh yeah,
Everything good matching.
what a meal. It's delicious.
Maybe next time I can cut some a little bit more bigger, because even after that the heat making already cooked, you know.
Okay.
Maybe I can make a little bit curry more bigger.
Yep. Get more of the medium rare.
Some more medium rare is good, you know.
Yes.
Very good.
Enjoy the rest, Hiro. Thank you so much.
皆さんこんにちは。寺田寿司道場の寺田です。今回ですね、日本のサブタイトルを入れてですね、新しいチャンネルをスタートしました。オリジナルのチャンネルはダリー・アリーズ・オブ・アマスター寿司シェフと言いますね。日本のねサブタイトルを入れてですね、日本の皆さんに楽しんでもらいたいと思いまして、このチャンネルを始めました。どうぞご覧ください。Today I have a great news. Japanese subtitle version channel is start. The name is Terada Sushi Dojo. It's in the kanji. Of course, you guys cannot read it, but a new channel. It's already started. Please watch it. So every video at the beginning, I am speaking in Japanese, a special introduction there. So something new. And in the future, a lot of videos coming. Also, Japanese special version of the video also coming too. So please stay tuned. More subscribe. Thank you very much. See you next time.